Okay, here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The field's not known where it came from. I'll zoom in a bit so you get a better look. Okay, I've zoomed in. The root was in millimetres. The material's been wetted. First piece is this piece. Blue bar of opal running through and probably running back at that angle like that. You can see the line there. Well, that's probably the indication, comes through here. So you might end up with quite a large stone. It's very hard rock, polish up extremely nicely. This piece has been broken through the seam, so how far it goes in here I don't know. Maybe just cut that into a pendant shape the way it is, I'd suggest. There's no other evidence of colour there. This little piece, a little bit of colour on the end there. That's about it. And this has got possible vein here going through. How far? It's unknown. Actual fact, it could be this piece here going through here. Looks like it might be actually. There's the line. Another little bit of opal showing over this side. Another couple of veins. But unfortunately, I can't guarantee anything with this. It's can't see in the material, and that's part of the fun, I guess. Cheers.